What's going on, y'all? So I'm late making this video. I was supposed to make this video a minute ago, but things happen. Life happens, you get busy. I just had to handle business. So let's talk about it, right? This started basically because I was trying to reset and just enhance my diet, because we have our moments when we don't always eat the best that we could be eating. And when you do a little research, you start to figure out what's good for you and what's best for you. While I was at my grandmother's house, I decided to do a 2-week challenge of eating nothing but fruit and veggies. And when I tell you the benefits, first off, my first week I lost 5 pounds. Let me see if I can, y'all ain't see that. So in my first week I lost 5 pounds. Second week I lost another 5 pounds. So in 2 weeks, I lost about 10 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. 17. I think I lost 17 pounds. I have to go back and check. When I tell you, I feel amazing. Trying to see what I can say without being TMI, especially while I'm handling food. But basically, I was able to use the bathroom a lot more efficiently, clean my system out. Let's just say that. And even my urine was a lot clearer. It was amazing. Like, look at that right there. Let's talk benefits. I was able to think clearer. I had that extra brain power, that brain boost that I needed. And even my skin, I want to say I had skin benefits that, cleared up my skin. There are plenty of benefits to this. Like I said, you can do a body reset, mental reset, skin reset. I felt lighter. I was able to think better, think clearer. It's a lot of benefits, and you're getting all types of vitamins, and these fruits, they have antioxidants that are good for the body to fight off inflammation, illnesses, viruses, and so forth. So that's the thing. A lot of people don't know. All you need is this right here. You don't need I don't take medicine, but all that shit that the pharmaceutical industry that they sell us, telling us that's what we need, we don't need that. We definitely don't need that. We got it all right here in this fruit. Same with the veggies. The veggies were amazing. And it also, it helped me to move away from certain foods. For instance, I don't eat eggs anymore as much. I'll still eat them every once in a while if I go to a restaurant, and do a brunch or something, but I haven't purchased eggs since before August. So that was one of the benefits. I was able to stop eating something, especially with my pescatarian diet. Just helped me to stay away from eggs. Also with veggies, I don't know if it was just me, but I noticed I was able to eat a lot less and still feel as full as I was if I ate like a big giant plate. It's almost weird, but just consuming that veggies, and once my body got accustomed to it, it's like magic, man. And I would do it all over again. As a matter of fact, I do it once a week. So matter of fact, let's talk about that. For those that are watching on YouTube, basically, this is the 7-day challenge I'm doing a video on, explaining the benefits of it. And it's just something I started back in August to help, my overall health and just to shed some extra body fat. And some amazing benefits was attached to it. I was able to lose weight rapidly, and increase my metabolism. And my body was able to, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? Digest efficiently, or bowel movement. I don't know. Link it for me, but you get what I'm trying to say. And now what I'm doing is twice a month, I do my 7-day challenge, and I offer people to join me, and so that they can, reap the benefits that I'm, reaping. I do encourage everyone to try it because it's again, it's very beneficial. This is your overall health. You know, when you start getting older, say I'm 32, things start to change and you start to just notice things are slowing down. Not as if I was like 60 or something, but I know a great difference of when I was 18 or even in my early 20s that now at 32, I can't really do the same. So that's what this challenge does. It helps me to kind of regain my youth and maintain my youth. As a matter of fact, I had a scale that tells me my age, not according to how many years I've been on earth, but my actual physical age. And because I do work out and I do have somewhat of a good diet, it wasn't anything crazy. Like I think my physical age, I was 1 year older, so technically 33, which ain't bad. And I did the work to bring that down. Now I haven't used it, that scale, I haven't used it in a while because it's in storage, but I would like to think that I'm in my age range now with this new diet and then just sticking with working out consistently, hopefully anyway, but we'll see. Again, guys, y'all gotta bear with me. I apologize for one, having such a delayed video as far as me making one about the benefits of this, and then two, I'm doing a really horrible job at multitasking. Like I'm trying to do all this stuff with this fruit and talk to you guys, but anyway, without drawing this video out any further, let's just revisit the benefits. I was able to lose weight rapidly. My bowel movement was more efficient. I think it increased my metabolism, which is interesting, being that, you know, the older you get, the slower your metabolism gets. Thinking better, better skin, just overall better health, you know, even with joints and inflammation. Now, this ain't gonna happen overnight. Of course, you have to do this consistently for you to feel benefits. And you can add other stuff. You could add maca powder or maca root. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Just all different types of herbs that you can add. This is just what I'm doing for today because this is what I have. But I hope that you guys do participate in this. Again, right now, currently, it's once a week. I know Thanksgiving is here, so we won't be doing it this week. We'll be doing it after, and we'll all need it because everybody's about to eat like a damn king, like big ass meal. So, yeah, man, just 1 week challenge of fruit and veggies, no milk. Oh, excuse me, I am leaving some things out. And if you do drink juice, right? Because you can drink juice, but it has to be from a fruit. It has to be freshly squeezed. None of that made crap, none of that. It's too much sugar. You're going to be undoing the work, you know what I'm saying? So it has to be freshly squeezed. Or you can just do water. Almond milk, almond is a seed, if I'm not mistaken, seed. Yeah, so you can do almond milk, that's fine. Mix it with your smoothies. If you want to push yourself, don't have any meat. If you're going to do proteins, you can do your beans, legumes. You can do your just anything non-meat related. I'm trying to think of peanuts, you could do that. However, if you do decide to add protein as far as meat, it could be shrimp, chicken, or even turkey, just something light, not beef, no beef. We're not doing beef. So yeah, I mean, this is going to conclude the video, and I hope that this information helped everybody. My bad, I'm a bit all over the place. I'll make more videos in the future if this kind of was like, I'm freestyling right now. So I'll make more videos if I have to. But if this works for you, or if this has helped you, if you've already done it, let me know. Yeah, man, let's get this health. Come on, let's do it.